10 Benefits of Long-Distance Relationships. Many people believe that long-distance relationships are doomed to fail, or that they are just not worth the effort. But that's not the case at all. Long-distance relationships can be incredibly rewarding, and there are many benefits to having one. Here are 10 benefits. 1. You get to know each other better. 2. You can still have a social life. 3. You have less pressure to be perfect. 4. You can't take each other for granted. 5. You can learn how to compromise. 6. You learn how to be independent and self-sufficient. 7. You learn how to communicate well with your partner. 8. You become more mature, responsible and independent in your relationship and life in general. 9. A long-distance relationship is a test of love that you can pass with flying colors. 10. Distance makes the heart grow fonder. When you're apart, you really appreciate each other more than ever before.